morning everyone, I am Bhumi Vasile. Today we have attended a wonderful workshop of advanced technology under the guidance of Mr. Nikhil. In Aaditya International School, there is a 3 days workshop where trainers from Pune and Nagpur are going to teach us. Our trainer is Nilesh Rajput, sir, from Nagpur. On first day, we learned the switch alarm.
Compounds, breadboard, resistor, network battery, and LED.
Buzzer, LED, jumper wires, register, LED and buzzers. Now connection. It's sir from IIT. So today we will explain about the alarm. That's switch alarm. It has so many components such as resistor and transmitter, etc. Now I will tell you about transistor. So the transistor have 3 main parts. The right one is known as emitter, the left one is known as collector, and the middle one is known as base. Now she will explain you about transistor. Now I will explain you about transistor. First one, collector. It helps to collect the energy. Now base. It helps to support the energy. Now emitter. It helps to distribute the energy. Now Shubhi will explain you about a buzzer. Buzzer is used to produce sound and buzzer beeps and give information. Now I will tell you about the circuit. This is the circuit which is attached to the for making the switch alarm. See how it works. It works when we connect these 2 wires. See, it works when we touch these 2 wires.